Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Usher Business. If you're a teenager and start investing today, even with modest gains, you'll be getting a big jump on where your finances should be when you're an adult. Although today there are headlines of the stock market crashing and uncertainty about the economy due to the coronavirus pandemic, that doesn't mean you shouldn't invest. In fact, a downturn in the market at times is normal. By investing when you're still a teenager, you'll build an incredibly broad investment portfolio a lot sooner than you think. So today I will show you how to invest money as a teenager. Number 1. What are the roadblocks to investing as a teen? Before you start calling up the stockbrokers we review here at Investor Junkie, be aware that there's one basic but sucky problem with being a teenage investor. You can't open your own brokerage account. There are a lot of investing apps that look perfect for teenagers, hello Robinhood, but you still need to be at least 18 years old to participate. This restriction is a legal requirement specific to the investment industry, and there's no way around it, at least not directly. Here's what Sudarshan did. He invested using a custodial account that was opened and maintained by his dad. These accounts let you invest through an adult. When you are 18 or 21 years old, depending on your state's laws, the account will revert to your name. By then, you'll all be set to fly solo, so let's talk about custodial accounts. Number 2. How custodial accounts work. A parent or guardian opens a custodial account for you and then gives funds into it. For 2020, up to $15,000 can be gifted into a custodial account. Once the funds are in the account, you can begin investing the money. Of course, your parent or guardian will have to make the actual trades for you. They will retain management control over the account, and as a teenager, you aren't allowed to contact the account broker to execute your trades. However, you can be a part of the investment process. You can create a portfolio allocation and select asset classes and even specific investments. Once you reach the legal age in your state, the account's ownership will convert to you. With the experience that you hopefully gain through the custodial arrangement, you should be fully able to manage the account going forward. Number 3. Micro-saving apps. A recent revelation into the world of personal finance, micro-saving apps are the perfect gateway to gently ferry your kids into the world of financial responsibility. These apps will generally round up purchases you make and automatically invest the difference. So the next time you teen buys a bubble tea for $4.50, the micro savings app will round it up to $5 and invest the extra. Point 50 in the stock market. Our current favorite micro-saving app is Accords. They have basically no minimum deposit and very low monthly fees. Number 4. A Roth IRA. Every teenager with a job should start a Roth IRA. You invest in a Roth IRA with after-tax income because teenagers' marginal tax rate will never be as low as it is while flipping burgers part-time. A Roth IRA is a perfect vehicle for investing. The minimum investment to open a Roth IRA at Vanguard is $1,000 and at Fidelity is $2,500. So until the teenager has saved that much, socking money into a high-yield savings account is a good choice. Some accounts waive the minimum opening amount when you set up a monthly automatic transfer from a savings or checking account. Check for this option where possible. The best place to open a Roth IRA for a teen, in my opinion, is Betterment. It's very easy to use. You can start with a little as $25, and it's a great way to learn how to invest. Number 5. Savings and checking accounts. Some online banks offer higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks, but with the money a teenager is earning from a part-time job, interest rates aren't a huge concern. The purpose of these accounts isn't to earn interest, but to help the teenager learn basic financial skills. It's possible to get an account in a teenager's name, but most banks will have the parent or guardian co-sign on the account, just in case. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.